Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download videos on Telegram. Let me open up Telegram first, so I have it right here. Let's do funny videos, okay? Alright, we'll join this channel. We should have some funny videos to go ahead and download. As you can see right here, just scroll until you find a video. So we have one right here. All you need to do is click on this download icon here at the top left of the video, and it will start downloading. Of course, you can go ahead and play the video, as you can see. And if I click on these three dots, you can go ahead and now save this to gallery as well, or save it to downloads. So go ahead and save it to both, okay? As you can see, the video has been saved to gallery, also to downloads. It's really that easy and simple. Let me go ahead and open up on my gallery and show you. Here we go, guys. The video is right here.